Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Enterprise Enrollment from your Chromebook, step by step. Let's start with the proper and safest way to do it, contacting your organization. If your Chromebook was issued by a school or company, this is the official way to get it unenrolled. First, find out who manages the Chromebook, usually your school's IT department or system admin. Next, contact them and request to remove the Enterprise Enrollment from your device. They'll ask you for your Chromebook's serial number. You can find it on the bottom of the device or in the system info. Once they confirm the removal from the admin console, restart your Chromebook and it should no longer be Enterprise managed. Now, if you're dealing with a school Chromebook and you have the proper authorization, here's how to remove Enterprise Enrollment manually. Just a quick warning, this process will wipe all your data, so make sure to back up your files before starting. First, power off your Chromebook. Then hold down the Escape plus Refresh keys and press the power button. Your Chromebook will restart and display a message saying Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Next, press Ctrl plus D to skip the warning, then press Enter or Space to enable Developer Mode. Your Chromebook will reset completely, removing all data and the Enterprise Enrollment lock. Finally, set up your device again using your personal Google account, not your school or organization email. And that's it. That's how you remove Enterprise Enrollment on a Chromebook safely and effectively. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.